Winter is all about eating makki ki roti and sarson ka saag with white butter. Makki ka atta, which is made from corn, is a staple diet throughout the winter season. I had seen my mom and dadi trying different techniques like using polythene, silver foil in their attempt to make one-piece round makki roti, and this was the reason I avoided makki roti till I found this magical trick few years ago. As you can see, I'm actually rolling the makki roti like a pro. Not showing off, but seriously, bro, it was a massive breakthrough. Makki roti is not only tasty but also loaded with essential nutrients. Makki is high in fiber, which plays a crucial role in our digestive health. It helps to prevent constipation and also helps to build a healthy gut microbiota. Makki is a naturally gluten-free food. People with gluten allergies can eat it liberally. Bread, pasta, roti, porridge, anything can be made from corn. So try karo ye technique and flaunt your makki ka roti.